Hi, my name is Ellen Suazo, and I am a practitioner for Center for Spiritual Living, holistic entrepreneur. And now we have Eugene Golden to tell you some good news.
Hello, everybody. This is Eugene Holden, and I too am a licensed spiritual practitioner with Centers for Spiritual Living and also a spiritual life coach. Ellen and I have both spent years guiding individuals towards their calling and helping them align their life's path with their spiritual essence. So, sometimes in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to lose sight of our true purpose. Oh, but what if I told you that discovering your purpose is not just a journey, but a profound awakening? We invite you to join us in a transformational journey at our upcoming retreat, Living Your Life Enthusiastically. This retreat isn't just about finding your purpose, it's about living it every day and in every moment. And here is Ellen to tell you more about it.
So, on this virtual retreat, we would like to invite you to take a day just for you. Remember, it's to rejuvenate, reignite, and remember what you're here for and who's you're here for. So that day will be October 14th from 9 to 4, and we are so looking forward to seeing you on that day. Welcome to our virtual retreat. We are knowing that you are saying yes to you.